So we decided to use this particular strategy because it covers a lot of different types of bets and payouts, and the idea behind it is, of course, to minimize losses and maximize our wins. So let's take a quick look at it. The overall strategy is simple, and for this example, it requires a starting bet of just $200. First, place a big $140 bet on the numbers 19 through 36, which will cover about half the wheel. Then bet $50 on a 6-line 13 through 18 to cover part of the gap left by that first bet. And finally, put a $10 bet on 0 as a sort of insurance overall. Now this part is very important. This strategy applies to a European roulette wheel where there is no double zero. The inclusion of a double zero will affect the odds, and that's why we avoid it. So let's see what our odds are. Using European roulette wheel, this strategy covers 25 of the 37 possible outcomes. So there's approximately a 67.5% chance of winning every single time. The $140 bet on 19 through 36 has a 48.6% chance of winning, with a potential profit of $80 against the $280 payout. The $50 bet we placed on 13 through 18 has only a 16.2% chance of winning, but a return of $300, netting us $100 profit overall. Finally, the $10 bet on 0 has only a 2.7% chance of winning, but returns $360 on our $10 bet, giving us a $160 profit against our total bets. Based on this information, this system sounds promising, but don't forget that there's still a 32.5% chance of losing every single time. In Casino Royale, it's suggested to switch to the Martingale system and double your bets on the next spin. Personally, I'm not a fan of this approach, and here's why. Our best bet is that the ball will land on one of the high numbers, 19 through 36. If we put $280 on it and win, we get back $560, making a $160 profit on that particular spin. But overall, it's still a loss of $40 when you add up the bets from this round and the last. Now, if we hit the 6-line bet where we bet $100 this time, it would give us a $600 payout. But considering our previous and current bets, we're just breaking even. That does sound decent, but remember, there's only a 16.2% chance of that actually happening. And the odds of hitting 0 with a $20 bet are as slim as just 2.7%. But if it does happen, here's the good news, is the payout is a nice $720, meaning we're in the money. However, this outcome is the only one that leads to an overall profit and yields just a $120 profit on a $600 wager. Basically, with this Martingale backup plan, only one of the particular bet options gives us a profit, which is 6 numbers breaking even and the rest leaving us worse off, about 12 times out of 30. Now, if we lose again, the James Bond strategy says to double our bets once more. Now, we've reached $800 plus the $600 we bet before. But here's the thing, from this point onwards, even if we hit that 6-line bet, we're not breaking even anymore. Instead, we're just digging a deeper and deeper hole as we chase our losses. And even if we somehow hit that 0 on a $40 bet with that 2.7% chance I was talking about, you're only profiting $40 over the $1,400 you've laid out so far. It's important to remember that no system is perfect, and you need to watch out for bankroll burning strategies like Martingale. So guys, make sure to set limits and don't chase losses. Roulette has to be fun. And remember, the house always wins. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.